Hi there. So today's our LeetCode question, we will be doing the group anagrams. And as you see, this question is being asked with the multiple companies and it is being repeated. So knowing this will benefit us a lot. So let's go for it and then read the questions. In the group anagrams, we do have the ET, some strings, and we want them to be categorizing with the repetition. So only way to do that, we need to use the hash map and then key value pairs, and key is gonna be the sorted value, and then value is gonna be the array. So in order to do that, let's start with the creating a map. So const map, this is how we create an object, and then I'll be for looping, and then we have the let, should I say each or word? I think I can go for the word, and then each of the strings, and then I need to also do a sorting. So let me do that sorted. So let's sort it equals, and I'm going to splitting them and then sorting them and joining back. So this is how we use in the JavaScript word, split and sort and then join. So this will give us the each one with the characterized in order, and I will be checking this one if it is available in the map or not. If it is not available, the sorted version, I'm going to be adding it, and the values is gonna be in the array format. So map sorted and word, and then in case else, if it is already there, so I'll be pushing a new value, the map sorted, that push function I will be using, and putting inside the array. And before I forget, I have to return these values. So in JavaScript, we do have the objects entries, so we can use object dot values, which will give us the values in an array format. I will be using the object dot values and map. Let's do the quick check of our function. We have the map, and then the word of the string, so each one is being sorted out, split and sort, and then I'll be going over. We have the 8, so sorted. If it is there, if it's not there, it's adding. Okay, let's run. Oops, it looks like we have a spelling error. Okay, values. So if we fix that, if we run it, okay, voila, it's passing. So let's go ahead, submit. Wow, it's nice, 87% passed, and the memory is really good too. That's about it. Thank you so much.